Hi everyone! Today let's learn some English words for types of the rain. First, drizzle. Very light rain, just tiny drops. Example, it's only a drizzle, no umbrella needed. Next, shower. Short and sometimes sudden rain can be light or heavy. Example, there was a quick shower this morning. Then, downpour or pouring. Very heavy rain. Example, we got caught in the downpour yesterday. It's pouring. And finally, thunderstorm. Rain with thunder and lightning. Example, the thunderstorm kept me awake last night. The thunderstorm quick changes into rain and hail, falling everywhere. Now, tell me in the comments, which rain have you had recently?